Dear viewers, at the heart of our vast universe, enigmatic cosmic entities defy our understanding: black holes. These gravitational monsters, swallowing anything that dares to venture too close, have intrigued curious minds for decades. In this quest for knowledge, we will venture beyond the horizon, seeking to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. In this video, we will address the fundamental question: what secrets do these strange celestial objects conceal? When massive stars, with a mass several times that of our Sun, reach the end of their lives, they deplete their nuclear fuel. Deprived of the force that counteracts gravity, the star's core collapses under its own weight. The outer layers of the star are then expelled in a spectacular explosion, creating a supernova, while the core of the star collapses to form a black hole. At the core of a black hole, an intriguing region called the event horizon forms. It's an invisible boundary where gravity becomes so intense that even light cannot escape. This unique feature makes them incredibly dark and enigmatic celestial objects. It is said that if an object the size of a coin were at the heart of a black hole, its event horizon would be so tiny that the curvature of spacetime at that point would be extreme, showcasing the warping power of these cosmic bodies. Some observations suggest that many black holes form in pairs, associating with other massive stars to create binary systems. These binaries can orbit each other for millions of years, a dazzling gravitational cosmic dance. As the two binary black holes approach each other, their orbit shrinks until they merge into a single massive black hole. This cataclysmic collision emits gravitational waves that traverse spacetime, carrying information about the event itself. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, resulting from the merger of two black holes located over 1 billion light-years from Earth. This historic discovery ushered in a new era of universe observation, also confirming Einstein's prediction of gravitational waves. Wormholes are hypothetical structures that could connect two distant points in spacetime, creating a shortcut for interstellar travel. While these possibilities have been explored in theory, no wormhole has been discovered yet, and their existence remains a puzzle. If wormholes were to exist, they would raise fascinating questions about the nature of time and reality. Some researchers have suggested that traveling through a wormhole could involve time loops, enabling journeys to the past or the future. In the famous TV series Star Trek, the concept of wormholes was extensively explored to enable instantaneous travel between different regions of the universe. This portrayal sparked public enthusiasm for science fiction and space exploration. Obtaining the first image of a supermassive black hole, M87, through the Event Horizon Telescope project marks a groundbreaking step in our understanding of the most mysterious cosmic phenomena. The audacious endeavor of uniting 8 radio telescopes across the world to create a virtual telescope the size of Earth was a true technological and scientific feat. This global project brought together researchers from different countries and institutions, showcasing the power of international collaboration in the quest for answers to fundamental questions in astronomy. Prior to this achievement, scientists relied on numerical simulations to attempt to reconstruct the appearance of black holes. The first image of M87 puts an end to decades of speculation and presents an actual visual representation, highlighting the potential of technological advances to unveil the deepest secrets of the universe. The distorted and asymmetrical shape of the M87 image is a visual testament to the profound effects of gravity on light. Einstein's work on the deflection of light in an intense gravitational field is confirmed by this image. Gravitational lensing effects caused by the black hole result in unexpected distortions, revealing how matter and light behave in extreme environments. In conclusion, the study of black holes opens a captivating chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. These celestial mysteries continue to challenge and awe us, raising fundamental questions about the nature of space, time, and reality. As we continue to gaze at the skies, we are confident that the future holds many more fascinating discoveries, and black holes will continue to amaze and intrigue us. Whether we are scientists or mere observers, we are all embarked on this extraordinary adventure of understanding the universe. Let us keep our curiosity and wonder intact, for the exploration of the cosmos is an endless journey, filled with astonishing findings and intellectual challenges that enrich our understanding of the world around us. In the darkness of the cosmos, black holes guard their secrets closely, but we press on tirelessly in our quest to unveil the mysteries of these gateways to the unknown. May this video inspire you to continue your exploration of the cosmos, always keeping your eyes fixed on the stars, with the hope of one day comprehending the deepest secrets of the universe. Bon voyage into the great unknown.